Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm your host and installer, Dwayne Lee, and you are at Creative L Concepts. While the magic happens, we have a good show for you coming up. So stay tuned. Shh. Hello and welcome back to the FJ channel. I'm your host and installer, Dwayne Lee, and you are Creative L Concepts, where all the magic happens. So this is my 2007 FJ Cruiser that I'm doing some upgrades to. I have several videos that I'll be putting together for a complete installation tutorial. So what I'm doing today, all right, this particular model came with 6 speakers, 2 dash speakers up front, 2 door speakers, 6x9s, and it came with the little small, I think they're 2.5 inch, maybe, rear speakers that I'm going to replace. So what I'm doing, I'm actually wiring some quarter panel speakers, which are right here. These are 4-inch, all right? So I'm going through the kick panel here, trace the wires. On the driver's side, you have a solid blue, which is negative, and you have a red wire with a blue stripe, which is positive. Now you need to check your vehicle because I think they're different colors. I'll pull up some stuff online and that's certainly the case. Now on this side you have a red and a white, right, for your door speakers, 6x9. So I'm tapping into that. I'm going to run the wires to the back here for the other speaker that goes in that quarter panel. So I've already got the other speakers connected, which I'll show you in another video if I haven't already shown it to you. So I'm getting excited, guys. The big holdup is that this thing is going to have to go in the shop, right? The body shop. I'm going to get the top redone. It is starting to leak a little bit from the roof rack, which is notorious for that. Everybody knows that. It doesn't matter what year your FJ is. Those 2 top channels on the top are prone to leak. I've mentioned this in other videos. So a lot of people are tackling them themselves, but since I'm already, this thing is already scheduled to go in a body shop, I'm gonna get the top textured in black gloss. They're gonna paint the roof rack. They're gonna fix the seal all together. I got a new headliner going in that I've had already reupholstered. It's gonna be nice. So got a whole new front end for this thing. Pull it on the internet, the VLAN headlights and tail lights, they look like the Land Rover. I know there's some critics out there saying, oh, why do you want to change it over? Hey, it looks good. I'm doing LED lights. I'm still on the fence about it. I have HIDs and I got LEDs available. So I'm probably gonna try out the LEDs first, because I've done a ton of cars with HIDs. Very happy with those, satisfied. They last a long time. But the newer generation, like I mentioned before, of the LED lights, they're a lot brighter, they're more dependable. Some of them, instead of coming with a fan, they're coming with a heat sink. All right. So, they're study advancing the technology in these LEDs. So, do your research. I do the same thing. I spend hours doing research, man, reading reviews and stuff. That's the only way, because there's so many companies on the market that are selling these things. So you got to do that. So with all that said, guys, I'm going to get back to work. I'm going to finish wiring the passenger side of this thing. Again, my name is Dwayne Lee. Sorry about the condition of my shop. It's usually a lot cleaner than this, but You know, I had 2 FJs I've been working on, so the other one is already up for sale. And this is my primary FJ Cruiser 2007 Blue Thunder is going to be the name of it. You already know the name of this bad boy, the Camaro Z28 96 Project Red Alert. And I got some upgrades I got to show you guys on that, so I'm a little behind. You know, thank you for being patient on my channel. Hope all is well. I will see you in the next video. Later. All right, welcome back. I got the quarter panel speakers hooked up. Everything sounds good. So temporarily, I got the Kenwood navigation installed, right? Got the backup camera connected to it, and put my own album art. The background, I put Jurassic World with the blue in it, kind of matches the exterior and the door panels a little bit. But anyway, everything sounds good. Sound real good, guys. I will be filming the quarter panels. They're actually in the house. I'm gonna drill those out, you know, mount the plates in there, covers and all that. So once I get everything wrapped up, done with the vehicle, I'll go ahead and start putting everything back in. Now I do have these are waterproof connects on here. You don't have to go as far as I went with it. Okay, these are waterproof. These are two-way connectors. You know, they unsnap, then push in. So you know, I got my little connectors. I'm actually running out of my negative connectors, but I'm gonna have to order some more. And those are for 14 gauge, 14 to 16 gauge connectors that I use. You know, I use the red ones for positive, the blue ones for negative. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna get started again, doing some more work on it. Everything that I can do until, like I said, I go ahead and get this top done. You know, kind of bad shape. And it is going in the paint shop at the end of December. So I will keep you guys posted on everything. Again, it's Dwayne Lee, Creative L Concepts, where all the magic happens. Hope you have a blessed day, and we'll see you later.